Hello friends, welcome back to Aviva's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Moong Dal's Tovve. It's a very famous recipe in coastal area of Karnataka. So I will show you how to prepare Tovve. So let's see what are all ingredients required to prepare this recipe. First I have taken here 2 cups of Moong Dal and half lemon, half teaspoon of jeera, quarter to half teaspoon of urad dal, 1 to 2 green mirchi, mustard seeds as equal as jeera, half teaspoon, and lastly coriander leaves and some ginger pieces. And here I have taken little turmeric and salt as per taste. Okay, and last I have taken a 2.5 cup to 3 cup of water. Take a cooker. We have to add this 2 cups of moong dal. Add some water. Okay. A little more. It will be little thin texture. Add turmeric and a green mirchi. Now add a 3 to 4 pieces of ginger and close the lid. Okay, close the lid and switch on the gas. Moong dal is properly cooked. See? Now add 1.5 spoon of oil, okay, and around half spoon of ghee, just for a taste purpose. Okay. Now, once oil is enough heat, add mustard seeds, jeera, urad dal, and now add asafetida, that is hing. Okay. Now I am adding chopped ginger. Remember, I have added 4 to 5 ginger pieces initially too. So, once these ingredients are properly cooked, properly spatter, add this moong dal, cooked moong dal. Okay. Now add salt and properly give a nice mix. Okay. We should wait for one boil. Now you are getting nice boil, right? See here. So Mix it properly. At last we will add a chopped coriander leaves. If you don't want to use hing or asafoetida, instead of that you can add curry leaves also. You can avoid coriander leaves and hing, okay, if you are using a curry leaves. So give a good mix. Yellow and green combination, it's always a hit combination. See, so I'm just the consistency should be this much. See, little flowy type. So that's how we'll call as a tovve. So it should not become very thick. Now I'm switching off the flame. Serve with rice or chapati, roti, anything. So if you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Aviva's Kitchen, and hope I see you in my next video with a next amazing recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.